This quick guide shows how to replace the battery on a MacBook Air 15-inch 2024. Let's begin. Tools on screen: pentalobe and tri-point drivers, spudger, plastic picks, torque driver, and an anti-static strap. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap before you start working. Step 1. Remove the pentalobe screws and lift the bottom cover carefully, starting at the hinge. Step 2. Zoom in on the battery connector and note the locking tab and orientation before disconnecting. Gently disengage the connector with a spudger to isolate the battery. Now the system is safe to work on. Remove the battery mounting screws and carefully lift out the old battery using the pull tab. Prepare the replacement battery by aligning the connector and adhesive pads in the same orientation as the original. Seat the new battery flat in the chassis, press gently to secure the adhesive, and ensure no cables are pinched. Reconnect the battery connector until it clicks, reinstall screws with a low torque driver, and replace the bottom cover. Torque and safety reminder: use a low torque setting and firm but gentle pressure. Progress: 90% complete. Power on, open system settings, check battery health and runtime. Replacement complete, enjoy your renewed battery.